waiting for it to be like off of that Cars movie in the...
I know where they're the cows in that movie.
That was an adventure right there on
Tractor
itself.
tipping. And he got it in gear, out of gear.
Yeah.
Lower that thing, that way it won't move. It's still